Our app is the kitchen inventory app, which allows the user to keep basic stock of their kitchen. It works so that, let's say, you have a certain amount of wheat products. You can click it up and down. You can do that for all the food groups. And when the food group hits zero,
Wheat at 0, proceed to next page.
the app talks to you and tells you to proceed to the next page, at which all of the food items at zero will be checked off, letting you know that you should probably go buy some more of those. We've also added a couple of features such as share, which allows you to share your shopping list with whoever you want to, basically through a bunch of different options. You could also choose your supermarket, and a list of supermarkets will come up, and you click one, and a map will appear giving you the nearest, let's say, Trader Joe's here. And one last thing we added was the enter your own food group. So you could add cereal or whatever, and those are all of our enhancements.
For the coding of our app, we initialized global variables of all different food groups. We made enhancements to our button minus block so that when the user clicks it to hit 0 right away, text-to-speech will come up, not have to hit it again. And also the checkbox will be checked right away. And so that if it's greater than or equal to 1, it'll minus the amount of that food group and change the label. And if it's equal to 0, the checkbox and the text-to-speech will appear. Same thing for the button plus for all the different food groups. If the button's clicked, the amount will increase by 1 and the label will change to that amount. Then when screen 1 is initialized, the list picker elements are set to the global supermarkets, which you'll see as the page goes down further. And then we have a couple of procedures so that it appears that we have multiple screens. And then we have buttons, so those procedures are called. So these are some abstractions. We have another procedure to save using TinyDB so that it stores the value of each global amount of all the different food groups. And then we have an update label list so that the label is also updated, which comes into play in this procedure when the values are retrieved, so that each global amount of each food group is retrieved. So here it's get value instead of in this where it's store the value. And also the update label is called there. And then we have a list of all the different supermarkets, and then that is implemented into the list picker where the Google Maps will come up and it'll select which supermarket the user chose. And then lastly, we have a share button where the user can share the list with a family member that they need to go shopping.